Good day. I'm Lasana Allen from Jamaica. I'm interested in applying for an internship position as a waitress, bartender, and mixologist. I would like to work at the front of the house, that I can work alongside the manager and become acquainted with the duties a manager perform. That in the future, when I become a manager or when I own my own restaurant, I can manage that restaurant effectively. I'm a recent graduate of the University of Technology, Jamaica, where I studied food service management. I've worked before as a mixologist at the restaurant called 689 by Brian Lumley. I was given the opportunity to create my first cocktail. I invented a cocktail, and that was that was interesting. I've worked as well at Champions Riverside Resort in Wisconsin on the work and travel program. And that was even more interesting because I was given the chance to implement my Jamaican cuisine into their menu. I look forward for a response from you, and I'll leave with one of my philosophies. Life is what you make it.